Hey, welcome back. We're the Mitchells, and we decided a few years ago that we were going to take charge of our lives so that we could live a more adventurous lifestyle. It came with getting out of debt, downsizing, donating, and lots of prayer. We also have a mile-long bucket list with hopes to touch a few lives along the way. So join us.
Look at my butt. I ain't afraid to say it. Literally, I need a butt pad.
Okay, so in the last video you saw us picking up our RV. Well, some of these things are kind of happening at the same time, so I'm doing the best that I can to go back through old footage to show you the process and really just keep up with our own video diary, because that's what this is about. I wanted to make this fun and keep up with our family memories and stuff and bring you along with us. This next one is about our electricity going in. That actually went first, and our septic, and also our driveway. Our driveway was put in kind of at the same time that we were doing the whole move out process at the big house. So check it out. I didn't even know what a ditch witch was until we got this machine sent to the house. And I kind of wanted to ride it, and I didn't ride it, and I'm having major regret.
We're fixing to go to the tiny house. There's the wind. And we're gonna dig a ditch for the electricity for the RV to have a hookup. Huh? Wake up back there. So yeah, we are fixing to pick one of these babies out so we can go get busy. Get our brawny on.
We rented this trencher for about 4 hours, and it ran us about $130.
See how this goes.
open.
I want to ride it.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die.
Find out. What's he doing?
Please
What's he doing,
save
Bubba?
me.
The clutch.
Fetch?
Clutcher.
Fetch? Anyone? Come on,
Good boy.
fetch. Oh my goodness.
Lord, don't let us hit nothing. Oh yeah. Because he could take him out. Get him, Panda.
Come on, let me win this time.
Never.
It's totally happening right now. This is kind of step one, and then we're gonna have step two out, where we're gonna have some gravel brought in, and we're gonna fill it all out, and we'll have electricity and our air and our water over here at the tiny house. It's just pretty out here. We love it.
At the road, just filling it in. Yeah, so I can turn wider.
I believe we had 5 truckloads of gravel brought in for the driveway, and thankfully they had 2 guys that came out here and helped level a lot of it out with whatever that thingamajiggy's called. You know, it moves things. Well, anyway, it was the middle of Texas in the middle of summer, and the temperature was set to hell, so I wasn't out there a whole lot. Chad, my father-in-law, and these two dudes, they worked their butts off. So a big O thank you.